Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we're going to be working in Python like we have been in the last, I don't know, 30 or so videos maybe. It feels like 30. Maybe it hasn't been quite. I want to get back to some WPF content soon, but I've been on a roll with Python and just learning new things. So anyway, we'll stick with that. And if you want to support the channel, of course, look at this Python shirt in the description if you want to check it out. And do all your rest of your Amazon shopping while you're at it, and that'll help me out. Oh, and Borderlands 3. I didn't I didn't mean to click on that. Anyway, you can see what I've been playing recently. Yeah, today we're going to talk about how to get the current time in Python. And to get it, it's quite easy, and there's a few other things I want to show you besides just getting the current time, all right? We can do other things like getting the day of the week, not just numerically, but an actual spelling of the day of the week and all that other fun stuff. So I'm going to remove this. The last video we talked about merging two dictionaries if you're interested in that. And I'm not importing datetime. I'm going to do from datetime import and then datetime. If you didn't do this, you could do like import datetime and then you could do datetime.datetime, but I don't like repeating myself, so that's why I'm running the first line here. So from datetime, we're importing datetime. And let's just say we wanted to get the current time. Pretty easy. We are just going to print datetime dot now. And now's a method, so we have to have open and closed parentheses. Let me save that. And let me cd to desktop. You think I would have this down by now to get this ready, but I don't. And let's run Python. And you can see the current time. It's 6:54, which if you subtract 12 from this, you get 6:54. And then the year, month, and then day of the month. So yeah, that's how you get the current time in Python. Now let's say you wanted to get the day of the week. All right, so I changed it up a little bit, and now we have a variable called now, which is equal to datetime.now. Let's say we wanted the day of the week. How would we go ahead and do that? And I'm not talking about like numerically wise. I want to talk about like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so on and so forth. How do we get it spelled out? In that format. And there's actually a nice little function, so let's do now dot string format time. And then here is where we pass in the format. And what's nice is if you go to W3 Schools, they actually have all of the different formatting that you can pass in for dates. So I have that in my other monitor that I'm looking at. And we just want the day of the week. And we want the full, not the short version. So short would be Mondays would be MON, and that would be it. But we want the full version, which spells out entirely Monday. And that would be the % and then A. So let's actually take this, and let's cut that, and put it into this, since we didn't set that to a variable. So we can read it out when it prints it. And you can see that it gives us Monday. So if we did lowercase a, that would actually give us what I was talking about, the short format, mon. And then it would, if today were Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so on and so forth, it would give you that day, obviously. Okay, and lastly, something else, another formatting you might find useful is what if you want it spelled out numerically, I guess, as we are used to seeing dates. It would be month, day, year, at least here in the United States. And the year wouldn't be the full year, it'd be the last two digits of the year. And the way to do that is actually a lowercase x, and then if we run it that way, we get it month, day, and year, just like so. So those are some dates, those are some nifty things you can do. Like I mentioned, if you want to check out some, like all of the formatting, you can go on W3 Schools and check that out. And yeah, you can look at all this stuff there. Get the particular year, get the month. Yeah, let me just show you month real quick. Month is capital B, but feel free to look up all this stuff on W3 Schools now that you have a start and how to use this. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.